Hi everybody, this is Taylor from Marble Distillery Company. I am here with Aspen Après-Ski as well. Due to the event being canceled, we decided to do a bit of a virtual happy hour, if you will. For my cocktail, I chose to do a spin on the John Daly. It's a classic patio pounder, which I'm sure we could all use at this point. For my tea, I chose a Jasmine Petal Tea. It is actually from a local tea maker as well, 2 Leaves and a Bud. They make their tea in basalt. For my lemonade, I just took a basic lemonade from the store and made a lemongrass simple syrup for it. For a lemongrass simple syrup, you're gonna do 2 cups of water per 1 cup of sugar. Add 1 stalk of lemongrass to that. Bring it to a boil and then let it simmer for 30 to 40 minutes. You're going to take your lemonade, do about 1/4 cup to that in your cup. And then I did a ginger vodka. We do a lot of infusions here at Marble. They're really simple and a lot of fun, especially if you have a lot of time to spend at home, which we all do right now. I did 1.5 ounces of the ginger vodka. For that, you're just going to take your vodka, add 1 ginger root to that, let it sit in the vodka for, I would say, a week, and then strain it out. You've got ginger vodka. You can do this with many other things. We also do a citrus, which is really fun. Then I added a Gingercello. This is a spin on the limoncello. Throw that in the cup, and then add your jasmine tea to finish. Give it a nice stir. Now this will not only impress you, but it'll impress your roommates or whoever you have at home. I hope you are all doing very well and are staying healthy. Cheers, you guys.